If you're looking to pay off a cash refund on a credit note in Xero, you're in the right place. In this quick Xero explanation, I'll walk you through the steps so you can get it done efficiently. Whether you're new to Xero or just need a refresher, this guide will help you navigate the process. To start, let's make sure you have a credit note already created. A credit note in Xero is essentially a document that acts as a refund or a reduction in what a customer owes. It could also represent an overpayment that you want to apply to future invoices. So if you've already issued a credit note for a refund, you're on the right track. Now let's focus on how to pay off the cash refund. First, head over to your bank account in Xero. Once there, click Reconcile and search for the payment that's being refunded. This is where your cash refund transaction will show up, and you'll want to match it to the credit note. Once you've found it, you'll see an option to allocate the payment. From here, select the credit note you want to apply the payment to. You'll likely see an option that says Allocate or Apply to Credit Note, which is exactly what you're looking for. What this will do is close out the credit note by linking the refund to the payment you've received. Essentially, you're reconciling the cash refund with the credit note in Xero. It's that simple. If for any reason you don't see the credit note automatically appear, you may need to manually enter the payment details. Don't worry. Xero makes this easy by allowing you to simply input the refund amount, date, and reference details. Xero also has a nice feature where it will warn you if something's not matching up, making it easier to avoid mistakes. But what if you're dealing with multiple credit notes or payments? Don't worry. Xero gives you the flexibility to apply refunds and credit notes across several invoices if necessary. Just repeat the same process for each relevant credit note and payment. You'll want to double-check your reconciliations to make sure everything balances out correctly. Xero is very user-friendly, but being thorough ensures that you keep your books accurate and up to date. Once you've matched everything correctly, your refund will be marked as paid off, and your financials will reflect the changes. One last tip is to ensure that your credit notes are linked to the correct accounts. This helps maintain smooth reconciliation processes and keeps your reports in Xero accurate and up to date. Xero also lets you pull reports to track the credit notes and payments you've processed, which can be helpful for keeping tabs on your finances. These reports can give you a quick overview of outstanding credits or refunds, which can be useful for budgeting or financial planning. Before you go, remember that if you're new to Xero, you can use it completely free with our exclusive bonuses by following the first link below. So if you're ready to streamline your accounting and make your business run more efficiently, Xero is a powerful tool for the job. To recap, applying a cash refund to a credit note in Xero is a straightforward process that involves reconciling the payment, matching it to the correct credit note, and ensuring everything is properly allocated. Xero's simple interface makes it easy to handle this, even if you're new to the software. And as always, make sure to double-check your work to keep your accounts in good shape. Don't forget to grab your extended free trial through the link below and explore the full capabilities of Xero. Happy accounting!